Today we're running ribs on the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn offset. I'm going to show you guys how I do everything. This is how I run my smoker every single time, no matter what protein I'm doing. The only thing that changes is the amount of fire that I use. For chicken, I'm going to cook a little hotter. Ribs, beef ribs, I'm going to cook 250, 275, and I try to stay 225, 250 when I'm doing like a brisket or pork. Stay tuned. So these are my son's favorite flavor on ribs. So today we're firing up the Oklahoma Joe's Longhorn reverse flow, and first thing we're going to do, get some wood. We're using some small splits here, loading up with the B&B oak lump charcoal and a couple splits to get the fire going. This is going to take about 45 minutes to an hour for the smoke to clear up and for everything to be ready. While that's going on, it's time to go and prep the ribs. So we're just trimming these up Texas style. I'm going to remove the membrane, but we're not turning these into St. Louis spares.
That bitch is thick.
Yep.
Holy fuck.
To season up, I'm gonna hit this with my barbecue glitter and then the tropical zinger. The tropical zinger is available on my website. We're also gonna do a couple other racks, season the same way with the barbecue glitter, but we're gonna do the jerk seasoning instead of the zinger. My son prefers the zinger and my daughter likes the jerk seasoning. Now, because I'm using the baffle plate from Lavalock or the tuning plate, I can use the entire grate surface of the smoker, so I don't need to hide the ribs on one side versus the other. If you want to get that baffle plate, make sure you check the description below and I'll have a discount code for you there. So if you want to talk about fire management, I always warm the split on the firebox. I'm going to make sure I add wood splits before my fire gets too low. That way I maintain a cold bed at all times in the charcoal basket. For this cook, I'm trying to maintain 250 to 275. But as you can see, if it goes up to 280, I'm not going to sweat it. Just going to be patient and let it come back down. We're 3.5 hours in. What I want to do is just swap these around. So put these ones over on this side. That's all. These are the Jamaican jerk. Looking good. And these are the tropical zinger. Nice color. When these ribs get to 4 hours, they should start to feel tender. Might need a little bit more time, so I go ahead and add the sauce. I'm using the sauces from Whiskey Bent Barbecue Supply. Make sure you check those out in the description. When they bend, I know they're done. Let me know how you like it.
Okay. It's good.
It's good? Now, if you got questions, make sure you drop them in the comments section below. Love to hear what you guys think. And have you guys tried any of the Whiskey Bent sauces? Follow for more, y'all.